Guys, what's going on? Welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less. Today I'm going to show you how to pull together and create a beautiful table. You can call it a tablescape, table setting on a budget. Everything came from Dollartree. You don't have to spend a lot of money to have a beautiful table. And I want to thank all of my subscribers. I appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. I don't need a whole lot of subscribers. I just need quality subscribers, and that's what I have. To all of my new subscribers, just want you to know this is a channel. My channel is based on tablescapes. I'm a former caterer. And so the difference, I'm used to decorating and cooking for the different seasons. And so sometimes on this channel you will see me, how to affordably decorate your table, because that is the foundation. You're at a table every day. And so, we like to make it fun around here. I'll be decorating tables, your bar cart, your coffee and tea bar, and all how to do it on a budget. Shopping, my popular videos are eating and shopping and grocery and meal preps on a budget. I will still continue to do all of that as well, okay? So thank you guys for joining the table. And so let's get started. Like I said, everything is from Dollar Tree. It is an affordable tablescape, but it's not cheap, because these things are not cheap. Okay? Oh, let me show you. This is what my table looks like on a daily basis. I got this dough bowl at Hobby Lobby, and I got these like LED candles. They come in a pack of 7 from, let me turn that off, from Sam's Club. Now these are Dollar Tree little pumpkins here, and this little this greenery, that's Dollar Tree. So I kind of mix it, and this is not cheap. This is probably right here $50 just here. So this is what I do every day. So you can do high and low. So, but we're gonna put her away, and we're gonna spruce up for fall. Gave this a wipe down. I'm gonna give it another little wipe down. Because I have a soup bowl, I should have a spoon. I always make the place setting with the spoon like right here, but I can't find my other ones. But okay, then I have these wine glasses. I broke 2 of them in the making of this video, so I'm going to have 2 settings with the wine. Somebody likes martinis, so we're going to have martinis at the other setting. All from Dollartree. Make sure everything's centered. It's kind of centered. I'll be able to really tell once I put my florals in there. So I got these. Dollar Tree, these are cute. There's nothing wrong with that. If you have guests that look down on you for doing things tastefully for less and on a budget, you know, that's just, you know, that's corny. That's corny. And I'm glad my parents, early in my life, like I worked in the mall, so I was used to seeing, when I was like 16, I started working in a mall and I had all these shiny things and I was taking my little check and buying designer clothes, and my parents broke me out of that when I was like 16 or 17. It's like, well, you think you better than somebody because you wearing these Italian people's name on your body? These people don't know you. They don't care nothing about you, and you're not better. They're the only ones that are profiting off of you wearing their name on your body. And I'm like, that made so much sense, and that broke me. My mother always said, she always told me, she says, you can do things nicely, you can look nice, and you don't have to spend a lot of money to look nice, to keep a nice home. And so I'm just so thankful to my mom and my parents for breaking me out of that. And they got to me, you know, at the right time. So it's like, they say, you know, if there's something out there that you like and it's, you know, it's beautiful and you can afford it, yes, but you don't buy it just because of someone's name. You know, that's the hustle. Somebody make you think you wear my name, that you're better than me, and that you got it going on. And half the time, those people turn around when they're buying all that expensive stuff. A week later, they got to ask you for gas money. So that's what I'm saying. So I think this is a very tasteful. Let me let you see. Very tasteful. You got your candles. Got a floral arrangement. Let's come a little closer. That's nice. I like it. And say you wanted to make some, you can definitely use this all year long. And for some of my I'm getting some younger subscribers, and you guys are just starting out. There is nothing wrong with these plates. I'm a plate and dinnerware snob, and these are no worse. These are better than anything that's out there in these high price stores. These are good, and you get to everything you have here, you can have it forever. Okay, now me, I go a little extra. I'm like a I layer my tables I have 5 layers deep. You don't have to do that, but that's me. And to keep, you know, things easy, I like placemats, because you don't have a tablecloth, you don't have to clean it, you know, wash it. So that's why I'm a big fan at home, because most people's home tables are beautiful, so you don't have to cover them up. But like in a banquet situation, when you have, you know, very utilitarian tables, definitely you have to use tablecloths to transform the space and to you know, to add beauty to your event. But that's just me. I do 5 deep. But you know, if it's in your budget just to do the plates and just get a plate and a charger or whatever. Okay, so let's see here. We're going to do I'm going to show you how versatile. Okay, I want to show you how versatile this is, how you can just change it out for the seasons. Now say you don't really want this orange. Take away the orange one, and there's some brown ones. So let me show you what that looks like. It's an easy swap. And during Christmas time, you can just put red down and change the florals out. I'm going to do that. I'll give y'all a video of that later on. Keep things neutral. Okay, you can use these, all right? Or this is the one I really like. All right. That's how an idea, an inspiration on how you can create an affordable tablescape. Everything's from Dollartree. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this was about $45, and you can have this stuff forever. And I didn't get it all at one time. Okay, guys, so I want to thank you so much for tuning in. And if you like content like this, and this is for I have a lot of like decorators and home decor people subscribe to me. I have more people for my food videos. So hopefully you can appreciate this type of content as well. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. And don't forget to, at the end of this video, you will see my picture. You're going to tap on it so you can subscribe and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content, okay? Thank you guys. Thank you so much, tastemakers. Bye, Mom. See you in my next video.